Camille Lewin, CEO, Savanna-La-Mar Hospital.
We're hearing of the crisis at the Savanna-La-Mar Hospital. Number one, they're saying that doctor is short here. Address that for me.
We do have a shortage of doctors, but where it matters most, that area is covered. Not to say that we put priority on one area over the other, but in the emergency room where most of the patients come, first point of entry, that area is covered. So to say that we have a shortage in the emergency room, simply not true.
Talk to us about the overcrowded at the hospital.
Okay. At our last interview, if I might say, we have been experiencing a number of issues. The major point was that of overcrowding. Of course, our hospital has a bed capacity of 190. This morning we are at 284 plus 5 babies. Last weekend we got to 291. So that's where we are right now. We are doing as much as we can to alleviate the challenges that we see. One of those issues that we have put in place, once a solution, is to put or convert our A&E waiting room into somewhat of a, I wouldn't even want to call it a ward, but somewhere where we can make the patients more relaxed and comfortable, that those patients that are waiting admission. If we're talking about admission on a given day, we're looking at like 57 patients. Now one of our ward carries 35 max. And if we have 57 patients waiting for admission, we're talking about more than one ward, right? So what we have done, when we had the COVID pandemic or at its peak, we had gotten some beach chairs from some of the hotels. So that's what we have been using now to put patients on in the waiting area. We have beds. What we lack is bed space. But if we are supposed to use the beds in that area, it would hold fewer patients. So what we have pretty much done is put the beach chairs in a reclining positions, so the patients at least have leg room, right? But to put beds, beds would take up more space. So it's a temporary relief. It's not ideal, but as it is now, we can't get expansion anytime soon, meaning tomorrow or next week or even next month. So we have to work with what we have. It's not ideal, but at least our patients are a little bit more comfortable than before.
We know that the dengue is an issue now. We're out of COVID.
We still have COVID patients here.
Mm-hmm. So is it that the dengue now, which is taking up this?
What's the reason for the surge that you in terms of patients?
A lot of the patients that